Remember when you said we'd stay together now until forever? Just us, just us. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oops, I just dropped something. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela. Today we're going to be creating this look. It's very fall inspired. I like doing these colors during the fall, but today, you know, I was in the mood for something more fallish, if I should say. Something that has fall colors, something bronzy, something orange, red, which is why I came up with this look, and it does match my outfit. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm going to go in and prep my lids. I'll be using my NC50 concealer. I finally got my eyebrows done today and it feels so good. I feel like a new woman. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the transition colors. I will be using, let's see, this color, this color, this color, and this color. So these three. Like that. I feel like this look is going to match my outfit. It's my top, if you guys can see. Looks like the colors I'm going to be using. So now I'm going to go in with the red color. This one, let me just brighten that up. Like that. Boom. So now I'm going to be using Brown Down by MAC. Sometimes I use this color to contour my nose. I'm going to be using, this brush. It's the Morphe 222 brush to just deepen the crease. So I'm slightly bringing the color inwards, like this. Deepen that crease, I'm gonna go in with Carbon by MAC. It's a deep black. I'm just gonna put just a little bit of that in the very outer corner. Just a little bit. So now I'm gonna work on my lid. I'm just putting concealer right now. So I'm going to be using this color. Hold on, let me see how this will look. So I'm probably going to be using this color. I'm going to mix these two together for the lid. Woo, do you see how rich that looks? Now I'm gonna blend. And then I'm gonna go back in with the darker color, Brown Down. And then just go in like this. So I'm using the brown, not the black. And then just adding a little bit more, like that. I think I'm gonna go back in with the black, just a little bit by the outer corner, like this. And then I'm gonna pull the black at the bottom, like this. Blend. I'm gonna apply mascara and then apply lashes. I'm gonna be using Morphe by Lancome. So I'm just putting glue on my lashes, and while I wait for them to dry up, I'm going to work on my brow bone. I'm gonna be using this color. Okay, while I wait for the glue to dry over there, I'm gonna start doing foundation. I'll be using the Stay Oil Free Matte Foundation by Clinique in the shade 29 Sienna. I always use this foundation. So now I'm gonna highlight. To highlight, I use the NC45 MAC Concealer. So I like coming close to the bridge of my nose like this because it helps define it. I'm going to use the remaining product on the Beauty Blender to highlight my forehead. I do have small forehead space, which is why I barely put concealer on my forehead when I'm highlighting, so I just always use the remainder on the Beauty Blender because I don't want it looking harsh. So to set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Black Radiance True Perfection Concealer. I mean powder, not concealer. It's a loose powder. So while that is sitting, I'm going to contour my face. I use the Matchstick by Fenty Beauty in Espresso. I think I'll start off with my nose today. So I'm gonna put just a little bit like that. And I'm gonna be using this brush to blend that. Alright, so now I'm gonna contour my cheekbones. Using the remaining product on the brush to contour my cheekbones. So I'm going to apply powder and set everything. I use the Mineralize Skin Finish by MAC. To set my contour using the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronze powder in Mahogany. So now I'm gonna apply blush. I will be using Raisin by MAC. And I like applying just a little bit like that. And I blend it into the contour. That way it looks smooth. I'm going to highlight using Iridescent by MAC. Iridescent Loose Powder. That's what it's called. I'm gonna go back into the blush powder and just blend that in like that. So now I'm gonna be using Brown Down, the brown powder, that brown shadow that I used earlier, to contour my nose. I'm going to be using Kia by ColourPop. It's a liquid lipstick, which I am actually running out of. I barely have any. So just with the little that I have on. I'm going to set everything with Charcoal Water by MAC. I actually forgot to work on my lower lashes, so I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to go in with Brown Down, the brown color, and just deepen that. We already went in with the black, so we're just going to use the brown. I'm going to go in with one of the transition colors that I use. I'm going to be using this one to just blend underneath that brown that we just put on. inner corner, I'm going to be using the highlighter that I used. And there you have it. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and comment. Hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Down.